Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete YouHodler account. To delete your YouHodler account, simply follow the steps till the end. Launch Open YouHodler application and log into your account by entering your passcode. Once you are logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right corner and scroll all the way down from the More option. At the bottom of the menu, you will be able to see the Delete Account button. Tap on it and then review these 3 tasks before requesting deletion of your account. The first thing you'll need to do is to check if you have funds left on your wallet and withdraw them. If you have recently made a deposit, check if it has been completed or is it still pending. Make sure to check and close all of your active deals before deleting your accounts, and after you've done all that, enable the toggle button at the bottom of the screen to ensure that you've checked all the instructions and you want to proceed further. After you are done with it, tap on Send Request at the bottom of the screen and, if prompted, enter the 2-factor authentication code sent to you via email and you will be able to delete your account. So that is how you can easily delete YouHodler account within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.